Hey guys, how's it going? I'm doing my market recap. Um, top First stock we're gonna go over is AEMD. This is the crappy biotech on some COVID news. Also got featured in an article on a blog. So lots of eyes on this one. Low float, love this stock. Perfect dip and rip in the morning. Perfect double bottom. That's what we look for. That whole dollar, half dollar. Uh, Breaks this view up, reclaim a view up. You can sell at 10, you can sell at 11, you can sell at 12, you can sell at 12.50. I mean, ton of profit potential there in that spike. Oh, beautiful dip and rip. Then it kind of set a top at 12 here twice. Um, Early in the day, in the morning still. Really wish this 12 could have broke right here on the second one, and I feel like it would have just tore off all day. But it's up. I think that it was up like 450% when it was around that 12 area. So, you would only ask so much, but we kind of turn around view up all day. Um, Play it into this 11 area, 12 area, and then this 9 were very significant. Tried again late day, could not get it. I thought for sure this was gonna break late day and pop and go to 13, 14 maybe. So but never got it. It looked like consolidation underneath. You got one try, two try, and then it kind of consolidated underneath. Thought maybe it'd go on the fourth try, but got rejected. Came back. 11 held pretty nicely. Bounced off 11, and bounced off 11 again, and then bounced off 11 one more time, and then it crashed to 11. Under view up, and then kind of gross into the close. So watched it for that break of 12. Dipping it perfect. And then, so we'll see how this thing acts tomorrow. It had a just horrible chart. There was one time back in 2014 where it ran and just one and done's ever since. So, yeah. Um, so that's AEMD main watch going into tomorrow. MDLY is also um, main watch, but it has horrible spread. You look at this bid and ask, it's like $1.50. So that's horrible. That would avoid or that would stop me from trading it. Just in that alone, you have to be really careful what price you're getting filled at. So that being said, it does have a low float, super low float, 1 million. Crappy chart. Gaps, horrible, horrible news came out back in 2020. I don't know what it was. One and done, one and done, one and done, one and done, one. So we'll see if this can go or if it can't. Not really sure what they do. We can look here. Um, so just investment, blah 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 blah. So, not a biotech, which is a good sign. If you're going long, a bad sign. If you're going short, you really want to short these one and dones, especially if they're biotechs. So we'll see how this acts going into tomorrow. Could squeeze. We've seen these things squeeze. Look at AEMD. This daily chart. This is just a one and done machine, and then all of a sudden, boom. So it squeezed from $2 to almost 19. So yeah, we'll see how it acts. NCTY. This um, what did I have to say about this? Can't remember, but they do like video games and stuff. I think. Um, History of one and done. Oh, this is what it was. Bad, bad stage in the pattern. You're looking for that dead pump bounce pretty much, um, which is you can go long on them, but I just try to avoid them. They're better for shorting. This thing spikes up to $30, and then you short that. So went supernova back in early 2021. So just perfect. You get the every single step of this framework so far. I can see this thing getting pushed up. So we'll see how it acts. Um, yeah, all I have to say about NCTY. Not a main watch. Ideally looking for something tomorrow, something better tomorrow. But it does have a lower float. So WPG, it's not my favorite. I hate this company. It's just bunch of lawsuit news. I don't like trading that. Um, put together a 3-day spike here. Put together a 2-day spike, and then it is a multi-month breakout though. Keep that in mind. Over the 6 range. So, but they are extremely cash hungry, and they will do an offering. I guarantee you. So be careful on that if you're going long. 6 is a key level for this stock, you know. So yeah, 7 also looks to be a key level. This whole dollar, half dollar, as well as 650. So keep an eye on this whole dollar, half dollars, and play it off that if you're gonna go long. Lower float and getting into that medium float area. So yeah, that's all I have to say about WPG. C-Tech, not my favorite. Does have low float though. You could have played it for that ACBD pattern, that gun, that late day VWAP hold, high day break, whatever you want to call it. Ton of names for it. You know, you have this and then that ascending triangle going into it. It's got a channel, so boom, 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 breaks it late day, and but of course you only got about what 20 cents off that. Not even, so like 15 cents upside if you sell direct top. Not my favorite. Wish it was a higher percentage gainer, and also wish that it had more volume. Is barely any volume. Um, so yeah, it is approaching multi-month highs though, and sketchy scam stock in cybersecurity space. So I'll have to say about that. GEO absolutely just tanked into the close. This stock was going so strong, going heading into the close, and then just faded all day, or faded all into the close. So it's an REIT, not my favorite. Again, being pumped to meme stock. I'm pretty sure they do like REITs, or excuse me, they sell real estate to what is it? Ooh, I was off. So it leases and oversecures detention centers and rehabilitation and troubled youth. So I thought it was malls. So I was a little off on that, but um yeah. So it would have been a better watch if it held in this 10 area here, going in maybe squeezed into after hours, but and it's kind of higher float. The Wall Street bets play, not really the best chart either, but a ton of volume. So keep an eye on it, and yeah, but it's not a trade for me. It's on the back burner. Really, I'm watching AEMD and MDLY. These are my two main watches. The others aren't really big enough percent gainers to take in my super small account. So, or not my super small account, but with super small size, it's not really worth it burning a day trade on them. Might as well wait for an AEMD where you can take what $2.70 a share on a dip and rip. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope you guys get some value out of this. Like always, I know I say that a lot, but I really hope you do. I get a ton of value out of it. It just kind of keeps me accountable. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching. See you next time.